movie. Oh, we can't say that shit anymore. We got sued off our asses. Welcome. Hey, welcome back, SA, Twitch. Just got out of rehab. SA just got back into the country because he got ripped out. Anyway, we figured out our contract exists with these motherfuckers, so now we're down with the One Take Brothers.
We're getting paid in fabric softener.
We're getting paid. At least we're getting paid, motherfucker. If you don't like it, go back to Mexico. Oh shit. Hey, what the hell are you doing, man?
Checking out their computer for bloopers.
Oh, bloopers. I love bloopers. What kind of things you done found?
Check out these from UFOs.
Oh, UFOs. You mean that Star Trek kid?
Yeah.
Oh, ain't this a bitch?
Beam me up, bitch. 3, 2... Don't fuck up now! Go.
Shut the fuck up.
Don't fuck up now.
Okay.
3, 2...
Was that it?
Yeah, we...
You gotta say one.
No, we don't ever say one for editing purposes.
Oh, I swear to God.
The Bubba Sanchez. God damn it. Can you come up with an easier name?
No.
If history's shown us anything, it's that most of the only people who, okay, 3, 2...
But you know what? Where's the proof of God? Huh?
Hold on. We went to spiritualism all of a sudden. I got a little confused.
We're gonna have to do that again?
And we're not even giving aliens a chance. All a lot of y'all see them as these evil beings that abduct people and all this so forth, but they could just be misunderstood, like snakes. You know, they could be nice. You don't know, do you?
Like snakes? Like snakes?
Yeah, because you're misunderstood.
Not his dumbass back up to Mars. The end, bitch.